Just realized that all this time when the kids played with the fireworks, because there was still another celebration, and I didn't know. It's something to do with Muslim religion, but I wasn't aware of it, so I hope I'm forgiven for complaining about them playing fireworks, because today, Monday, 29th of April, and it's so silent here. Apparently, the kids have gone back to school, so it's very, very silent, and I'm not used to it now. So anyway, cloudy again, but still, we never know, since my gardener always is being guarded when it comes to opening the balcony or not, because in case he's not around and then it rains, that's it. I will be so overwhelmed because I wouldn't know what to do, how to bring down the awnings or whatever you want to call that, the turp or the tent, I don't know how to call it, because we really seriously need to replace that, so that every time the rain comes down, we don't have to be so panicky and trying to roll down everything and bring inside all the chairs and the loungers and table, etc. So that would be my dream, to have like some kind of transparent roofing, and where we could also close whenever the rain comes around it. I'm not talking about only above or on the roof itself, but also around the rail, left and front and right, so that we don't need to always have to be panicky whenever rain comes. I don't know, that would be my dream actually. Nice when the house is all cleaned. As today's Monday, so the cleaning lady came and she cleaned everything, and the weather is glorious. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Look at that, so bright. Okay, a little bit hazy now. Oh, look at that white orchids, and there's another one. Oh, I'm just so feeling content and happy. I am in my daughter's bathroom again because the lighting here is better. As you can see, I don't wear any eye makeup and just lipstick alone, orange lipstick with this white linen dress that I already showed myself on shorts yesterday. And today I hope to be meeting the second agent for my pool area land or plot of land that I have been putting on the market for maybe 4-5 months already with one agent, but I have not received any result whatsoever, even though the agent is always very nice to me, was nice to me when he came here. But now I've contacted another one yesterday, and I think this lady will come here today. So I'm looking forward to that because I really need to just let go of my swimming pool and the staff quarters and the pool house because it has its own private entrance door and even road that I think it should be very, very appealing to some people because a lot of developers now have bought some of the land without building. So this shouldn't be a problem because they don't have to demolish anything. If they do decide to build some kind of cluster houses, which is very, very in vogue in Indonesia, I don't know why, but maybe it is much more affordable for the people here, even though the capital city of Indonesia will no longer be Jakarta. It will be in Kalimantan Island. That is called Nusantara, or will be called Nusantara. I think it's officially called Nusantara, which means archipelago. All right, so that's what I'm waiting. I don't know what time she is coming, but she's coming today. She's asked me already to send her the share location. So I'm looking forward to it. Guys, I cannot put on makeup. I cannot make myself beautiful for you because it's just too hot, too humid for me. Really, I'm Indonesian, but yet I've been here like 7 years and I can't. It's worse. I got even more perspiring profusely. It's crazy. I can't do anything. Not because I'm lazy. Looks like next week the pool repair work will commence. Now the company that is going to repair it has been informed and they are ready. So I will share with you the workmanships of these people so that they also can be recommended to others, whoever need this kind of job in their pool here in Indonesia. So let's see. It's Sunday today, and so guys, I just wanted to confirm that next Sunday on the 12th of May, the work of on my swimming pool will start, and that is to clean the whole pool or cleanse or whatever you want to call it. Then oh my god, my Grab driver is calling me. Yeah, the delivery of my Grab here is like Uber because I did some grocery shopping online, which is nearby. Don't feel like going out. I just took a shower again. It's really humid for me. I can't move. I can't concentrate. I can't focus. But anyway, as I was saying, that the work on the repair of my pool will start next Sunday, and the second stage would be the second stage. I mean, you know, the procedure will be to clean, then to do the grout, and then to fill up the pool, which will require 9 tanks of water, according to this man. And also they will replace the top metal of where the water machine also, but not the main water machine because it's right here, which has a new machine that I replaced like 1.5 years ago. And then now this will include the top metal sheet that will cover another water meter, whatever you call down there. So that's good, and but it's not including the replacement of the new lamps in the pool because that costs also. But anyway, the most important is the pool will be repaired and will be able to be used again because that's what I'm looking forward to, and it will take 2 weeks. So as you can see, it's funny because some people, they spray a special spray to glow, to look glowing, and here I am glowing by sweat, but clean sweat because I just took a shower. So anyway guys, I think that's all. I'm so sorry, you know, I always abrupt I always end abruptly because I have no content that's interesting to you. This is just like my diary anyway. Okay, wherever you are, look, take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Okay? All right. Okay, ciao ciao. Arrivederci.